Here is how you can download and install Genshin Impact on your PC. Hello everyone, welcome back to App Tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how you can download and install the Genshin Impact game on your PC. So let's start. First of all, open any browser. Then after, search for Genshin Impact on the search bar. After that, go to the official website of Genshin Impact. As you go to the official website, you will find a screen like this. In order to download it on PC, click on PC download. Then after, the Genshin Impact launcher will start downloading. After downloading the Genshin Impact launcher, you will have to open it and then download Genshin Impact from there. After the launcher is downloaded, click on it and then allow the user control. As the launcher opens, click on I have read and agreed to the terms of service. Then click on install now. After the installation is complete, click on run now. As you open the launcher, select the path of your game file. Make sure to select a disk that has a plenty of space. The Genshin Impact game itself has a size of around 100 GB, so make sure you have enough space on your disk. After you have selected the path, click on Get Game and it will start to download the game. After you have successfully downloaded the game, open it and then you will have to create a user ID. Create the ID following the simple steps and then you will be good to play the game. But before downloading the game, make sure to check the PC requirements in order to run the game smoothly. So in this way, you can easily download and install Genshin Impact on your PC. That's it for the video. Make sure to leave a like if you found this helpful and subscribe to the channel for further videos.